Right, first of all, there's a little wire here on the helicopters. It's got this little wire to connect. This lasts about 15 to half an hour. This plug is in here. Lasts about 15 to half an hour. You plug that in, turn it on, and off we go in a minute. Turn the controller, massive control right there. And off we go in. Turn this on.
Fly as high as you can. I can't keep hold on it. There it is. Deck is too hard. I can't keep it on the camera. Fly as high as you can, Deck.
Whoever wants one of these, by the way, it's 50 quid from Matlin.
I'm playing electronics.
There as well. From that. Well, we're just getting stuck with the grass now. Stay over for a minute.
Try and steer it that way.
2 minutes.
There's Oscar.
Is it on again? Oh, so.
Doesn't even look like an helicopter from here. There you go. Yeah, then I'm having my video. Dude! Steer it! Land it! Yeah!
There we go.
My go. You're gonna stop now. Later.